Hi, Sammy Burke here of New World Cartographic Antique Maps and Prints in Chicago, Illinois. I wanted to do an unboxing video today of something that I was very excited to come in. I bought it specifically for a fair that we're doing next month, the New York ABAA Book Fair at the Park Avenue Armory. And this piece is specific to New York. Now, it looks like it's packed pretty well, and I'm happy that it's rolled. Before I bought it, I asked the previous owner, it was in a frame, and I asked him, is it possible for this to be rolled and shipped in a tube? Not just because I worry about shipping frames and glass, and honestly, I really don't need all the frames that I would have if I kept the frame of everything I ever bought, but I wanted to know if it was mounted onto a backing board or not. Sometimes these older prints are mounted really onto a piece of wood, and then it requires extra time, money, restoration to get it free from those boards. So the fact that it can be rolled in the tube is definitely a good sign. Looks like they packed it well, so I'm feeling pretty optimistic here. All right, we our razor. Take out our razor. Just want to be very careful. Always cut up and away from whatever it is you're trying to open. Put away the razor. Oh, this is looking good. All right, so this is a Currier and Ives view. The Great Suspension Bridge. They wrapped it around the tube. Some people put it in, they put it around. A view of the Great East River Suspension Bridge, also known as the Brooklyn Bridge. Looks like that this piece, looks like it already had some work done to it. So they used some sort of a backing paper here, just to kind of reinforce it. There are some cracks along the top. There are, just a couple areas where you have some acid burn here. Definitely still think it's worthwhile to bring to my restore, see if we can clean up some of that acid burn for later on. We want to preserve these, in as good, if not better, condition than we find them. And me specifically as a dealer, when I get these things on, I almost feel like it's kind of my responsibility to prepare them for the next owners so that they don't have to worry about it. This view of the Brooklyn Bridge was etched right around the location of present-day Jane's Carousel. As you can see, we have the financial district of Manhattan in the background. You also have the Statue of Liberty far off in the distance. And what we have along the East River is an interesting array of ships. We've got both wind power and new mechanical powered ships, as this was the age of the Industrial Revolution. You can see all along the bridge there are many people walking, traversing on horse carriages, by foot, all the way across. So that's Manhattan on one side, and then we've got Brooklyn on this side. At the bottom of the print, there's a lot of really interesting information about the construction of the bridge itself. Here it actually tells you it was completed in May of 1883 at an estimated cost of $15 million. Boy, if we could just build a bridge for $15 million these days, that'd be great, wouldn't it? So, I'm gonna be excited to bring this to New York. If you're in there, come and see my booth and this print, as well as many other things that we'll have there.